Hello, let's continue our tabletop sculpture exercises. So we've made several shapes, and now we will make them more detailed. We will make some kind of texture or some minor shapes, details in them. I will show you how to make all them with the one simplest tool. I mean, this is just a wooden knife or whatever. So the most obvious thing that you probably would know to do yourself is just make the line, right? And make some lines. Okay. And make some curved lines. Well, possible. I will show it on this piece because I don't know how to use it anyway, so it will be just a test piece for different applications. You can also use it in order to make a straighter and more and a deeper line. You can press it like this, and then you will get the lines of different depth, like straight lines. I didn't succeed to go really deeper because the clay got a little bit dried out and it is a little bit tough, so it doesn't actually let my tool inside. The surface is more harder than the inside, so it actually got curved like this and not got into side. But what I want to show you is that you can also put this knife like this and press with one edge but flat, and then you will have something like this. You will have three-dimensional shape. You see, you can move it to there. No, that's not what I want. And if you press again like this, then you will get like a more complicated shape, you see? And if you make it here and here, if you continue it over the edge, then you will get some kind of three-dimensional structure, you see? So what else can we do with this thing? Also, that's all we need. I will show how we're going to use it afterwards. Then you can use this part to press like this. Again, not inside, but I am doing it flat. And we're getting half circle like this, you see? And we have here a corner, triangle and angle, and we can press it here and we will get a triangular whatever shape. And if we make several triangles like this, then we got this kind of shape, you see? So what else can we make? We have some kind of saw-like edge here, so if we press like this, then we're getting just a pointed line. But if we press like this on the side, then we are getting such tips line with two teeth. Oh, that really looks like teeth. But if we make from this side here like this, and here, and with from this side here. No, this looks like a tree, but if we go the other way, like this and like this, then we will get teeth. So how can we apply it to our house? I will show you in the next small video.